Hello everyone, in this lesson we will configure the Telnet protocol in GNS3 and then we will use the Wireshark tool to check the behavior of this protocol. Telnet is a network protocol and mostly used for accessing the remote computers over a TCP/IP network. It was developed in 1969 and stands for Telecommunication Network. Open the new project and write your lab name. Make network topology and connect all the devices. We are using the Class C IP addresses for the router interfaces. Configure the interfaces by using these IP addresses. You can use the show IP interface brief command to check the interface status. Set the password for router 2. So here you can use your own password. This command is used to set up the virtual terminal lines for router, and these lines are used for remote access management via protocol like Telnet, and we are creating this virtual terminal line for 4 users. You will also configure the password for the virtual terminal lines, and in my case my passwords are same. So you can open the Wireshark by clicking this link and right click, and you can start the capture, and then the Wireshark tool will be open for you. So the Wireshark tool is showing the basic packets transmission so far. So now we are trying to access the R2 router from R1. We successfully accessed the R2 from R1. Now we can just analyze the data and the packets and check the security details. So now you can just open any Telnet packet from the Wireshark by right clicking and follow and the TCP stream, and then you can check your password is visible here. Yeah, this is my password which I used during the configuration. So because the Telnet transmit data in the plain text and the data and the password is not encrypted, and this is one of the drawback of the Telnet because it has the lack of encryption and it transmits the data like username and the password in the plain text. And if someone tried to hack the network, so easily the hacker will see your all the details. So that's why Telnet is not secure protocol. Thank you very much. See you in next video.